In this video, we will learn how to customize the vertical axis, also known as y-axis, on OTBI graph. Mostly the dependent variable is assigned to vertical axis. The vertical axis has three main components: the scale, formatting, and the title. Scale refers to the minimum and maximum range of values. So here we can see -1000 to 1900, that's the maximum range, and this range could be uniform or it could be dynamic. So here in this case we can see here, any year I am selecting, the range is fixed. Any ledger I will select, the range is fixed. So in this case, by default the system gives us a uniform scale that is based on the maximum number and minimum number for all ledgers and all period. So now if the user needs that this scale needs to update based on the individual ledger and year, go to XYZ properties and scale, and here in the axis limit we can see here it is default dynamic. I need to set it to zoom to data range. Click on OK. Now here we can see that the range has been reduced from -1000, that is here the lowest point, to the maximum point. And if I change, so here also you can see it has been changing from 200 to 1600. So this is based on the specific data range for the given values. So let's see for another important aspect, that is the title of the vertical axis. So go to titles in labels. Here you can see the vertical axis. By default measure name is used as the axis title. If the user want to change it, uncheck this days to close period, and to make the formatting, here I can go and make the formatting style as lower lighter color and lesser size, that is 10, to ensure it is not taking too much of space. So here we can see it is smaller. If we don't want it or hide it, remove this part and it is title is no longer available. Another part is like the formatting this values, like this also I want to make a less emphasized by making it gray, and the amount or the numbers need to be properly formatted. Go to again view properties, under the vertical axis labels. So it should be always shown the font. I can set it to like gray, and the number format here with no decimal and 1000 separator. So okay. So now we can see here this is less highlighted, less emphasized, and with 1000 separators. So for each value, now we can see any 1000 that has been showing with the comma separator. So I hope this video helps you customize the vertical axis on OTBI graph. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on OTBI and data visualization. Contact us at the email address provided in the description for any report development needs. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.